It's a cool September Sunday and we're just setting off on a walk from the Lagan area. 3 Munros, tell you a bit more about that in a minute. The main objective today is to try and have some summit to summit time with a crowd of SOTA activators that are all out in the Lake District this weekend. And just to make it more interesting, I'm going to try and do it on 2 meters FM over a distance of about 280 kilometers. So watch on and see how we get on. It's a big day out today. We left the car at 07:30 Zulu and I think we'll probably be out for about 10 hours. Okay, this is our first peak, Beinn up there. We've been going for almost a couple of hours now. It's about 4k to the top. The only issue is I am a complete idiot and took us up the wrong track for about 2k this morning, maybe 3. So we've done a fair bit of retracking to find the right track. We're now on the right track. We are having a T-stop, but I'm big time on the naughty step. No more path now till we get to the summit ridge. Just up there somewhere. Steep and pathless. Pathless and steep. Ah, well, we're in a bit of a boulder field now, but starting to see our goal. I heard GM3YTS Rob calling from Beg, Golf Mike Whiskey Sierra 002. He's up there with 2 other guys, and if I can get to the summit in about the next 3 minutes, I should be able to have summit to summits with all 3 of them on 2 meters with my handheld, and that will just leave me one more contact for the qualification. So Mo is plodding up, I am sprinting, which is kind of difficult on this rubble. This is Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India Portable on Beinn Golf Mike Whiskey Sierra 023, over.
Hello Fraser, from GM3YTS Portable.
QSY 550.
MM0 Echo Fox India, GM3YTS, MM0 Echo Fox India Portable, GM3YTS Portable.
Yankee chat, was that Mike 0 Yankee Charlie Juliet, over?
0 Yankee Charlie Juliet stroke Portable. Good afternoon Fraser, you're 5 and 9 with me, 5 and 9, I'm on Whiskey Sierra 174, Whiskey Sierra 174,
Mike 0 Yankee Charlie Juliet Portable. Good afternoon, call when in QSL on Whiskey Sierra 174. Which summit is that, over?
It's a Corbett above Inverie in Neudart. Can you go with your summit reference? Golf Mike 4 Yankee Sierra Portable on WS2.
Golf Mike 4 Yankee Sierra Portable. Good morning, and you're 5'9". Is there enough room up there for all of you, over? Number 4, come in Mo, you're not even at the summit yet. This is Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India Portable listening.
Hey Fraser, it's Gavin GM0 GAV Portable, you're about 5 and 5, over.
GM0 GAV portable, Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India portable. I'm delighted with 5 and 5, Gavin. Great to hear your voice, and this is probably the most straightforward activation and qualification of a summit I've had and probably will have in my life over.
And I'm glad it's a quick activation. So I'll leave you to wait for Mo to come back up and see you, and I hope you get many more contacts. We'll speak to you soon. MM0 Echo Fox India portable, GM3 YTS portable, GM0 GAV portable, and GM4 YSS portable. Cheers.
Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm away to Beinn South and optimistically see if I can pick up anyone down the road with 2 meters. So thanks very much, guys. 7-3, and see you all soon.
Oscar Alpha Sierra.
Oh, had another station there. Was that Oscar Alpha Sierra?
Yeah, that's right, Fraser. Nice to hear you again. MM0 ESI portable, GM4 OAS, Gordon near Mallaig. You're 5 and 5, over.
How easy was that? Optimistically, try to get to somewhere south of the Untitled. And somehow having to write down call signs at the same time. So I don't know how that's going to go. We'll see how we get on. CQ, summits on the air. Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India calling CQ from Golf Mike Whiskey Sierra 023 QRZ. Okay, Golf Mike 0 Alpha X-Ray Yankee, thank you for your patience. You were being stamped on there. You're 5'9", 59 over.
Oh, thanks for the 5'9". That was a bit of a surprise. You must have turned the antenna. 5'7", Fraser, over.
Thank you for 5'7". Where are you over? What's your location?
I'm in Edinburgh, Edinburgh, over.
Okay. Oh, glad to get off that first summit. It is cold today. Well, 8 calls in the log, all on 2 meters FN. 4 summit to summits, just with the handheld and the whip, and then a further 4 using the yagi pointing south. Best distance DX would be in Edinburgh. So if you look back, that's the summit behind me, and we're walking along this broad grassy ridge here. We're going to have to drop down quite steeply, and then that's Chàrn summit number 2. Not sure whether we're going to get up there today because Mo's not feeling it. So if we drop down to the call and she's not feeling like the climb, then we'll just use the track to take us back down to the glen. Yeah, it's getting a bit rough. Down there somehow and then up the other side. Well, as you can see, we're now climbing up towards Chàrn. Never one to shirk a challenge. Mo decided we were going for it. At least it's less rough than the last one in the background there. Made it. Chàrn. Well done, Mo.
Over here, I think.
Tough gig. That was a tough grind. Question is, can I pull off another 2 meter FM activation? Watch and find out. And we're going to try half man, half machine, 2 meters. CQ, 2 meters, and summits on the air. This is Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India portable, calling CQ from Geal Chàrn, which is Golf Mike Whiskey Sierra 031 QRZ. Okay, I heard the station and the noise there. Go again.
Whiskey Alpha portable, calling the Western Scotland summit.
Yeah, okay, I'm beaming southwest now, southwest. Is that better?
Roger. My pole is falling down. I'm only just setting up. This is Mike 6, Bravo Whiskey Alpha.
Could you do that?
On Golf Mike, Sierra 205. Where do you want to go?
Hang on. Okay, go down 450, over. Okay, yeah, copy that. This is Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India, portable, and I am on Golf Mike Whiskey Sierra 031, Whiskey Sierra 031. I'll get your summit reference on the next over again, over.
Roger, Roger. Your Mike 0 Echo Fox India on Golf Mike Whiskey Sierra 031. You are 5 and 1 to Mike 6 Bravo Whiskey Alpha portable on Golf Mike Sierra 205.
Yeah, copy that, and you're 3x3, 33, and copy Sierra 205. I've got 5 watts here into a 4-element handheld beam over, so I think we're doing rather well between us.
I've got 5 watts into a dipole overflow water pipe that's falling down at the moment. The name here is Vicky, Victor India, Kilo India. Could you do me a favour and give me a time check? I didn't manage to get my clock out.
Yeah, I got that, Vicky. Name here is Fraser, and the time, Zulu time is 14.55, 14.55, over.
Roger, Roger. Thank you very much indeed. I knew you were out, but didn't think I'd get you. Safe descent.
And you, thanks very much for the call. Have a great rest of day, 7-3.
7-3.
And that was Geal Chàrn. Not quite as rough as the last one, but still a rough old hill. Got the activation done on 2 meters, yes! So we're now heading back. We're going to swerve Monroe number 3 because it's now about 4:30 in the afternoon, British summertime, and we've got a long way to go back. It's been an extended day out basically because some idiot got us lost right at the start. And I think it's going to put about 3 miles on a 15-mile hike. Find out when we get back. Geal Chàrn behind, and that's us at the col now between the 2 summits, which is nice because we've got a footpath and then Land Rover track all the way back to the car. The bad news is it's about 8 kilometres. Hopefully the fish and chip shop will still remain open. What happens if the chipper's shut?
We will be finding one.
Yeah, we'll find a chipper. It's actually turned into a lovely evening. That's us heading back round the bottom of Beinn, the first hill we climbed this morning, and now the sun's on it, it doesn't quite look so threatening, but believe me, it's still a bad slope. Long way to go. This is the speed of Mo, who's needing chips. Well, we're almost back at the car. Some stats to finish the day off. 19-mile walk, should have been 15. I think that's 30k instead of 24. 2 Monroes, 2 SOTA, 16 points. 5 summit to summits, and the whole lot done on 2 meters FM on my handheld. This little machine here just shows what you can do with a bit of determination and some metal in the air. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know what you think. See you on the next one. 7-3.